It's a wonderful day here at Nature's Exotics. Just going to do a quick video here just showing you some of my boas that I'm raising up. This one here is a Hypo IMG Jungle Het VPI Pus Het Anery. And she's in shed currently. This is the same thing here. This is my male. And he's currently in shed. Everything's in shed right now. Here's a Hypo Jungle Het Albino. And hopefully she got knocked up this year. She's looking all fat and has some scale separation. So hopefully this one pans out. This is a Hypo Jungle, another one. And it appears that she's gravid as well. Has some major scale separation and hasn't had a meal in about 2 months. She's Hypo Jungle Het Albino. She made me some nice junglos last year. Here's a nice albino motley het stripe female. That's probably, she'll go next year. Here's a nice sun glow het blood, and she'll probably go next year. Nice little dragon maker. Here's another little dragon maker here, an albino het blood. She might be 2 years away from breeding. Little Hypo Jungle Het Albino female that's probably a good 2 to 3 years away from breeding. Nice albino het blood. Here's another female Hypo IMG Jungle Het VPI Pus Het Anery. She's looking all spiffy with a little fresh shed. I love their eyes. It's one of my breeder male motley het albinos. It's a Roswell ladder tail het albino, and she's in shed as well. Here's a little Hypo Het VPI Pus Het Anery. Probably 2 years away from breeding. Little female. Little Hypo Jungle Paradox Het albino. Probably a couple of years away. Here's another Hypo IMG Jungle Het VPI Pus Het Anery. Gotta love these guys. They have a pretty awesome little iridescence on their scales where they're so dark. Beautiful snakes. This is a hypo arabesque double head albino blood male. This is an albino sunglow motley. Probably 2 years away from breeding. This is a het leopard head albino female that's probably 2 years away from breeding. Big female paradigm boa. I need to find a male for her. She'll go this next year if I can just find her a male. She's got good body weight. She almost looks gravid now, but I didn't breed her this year. She'll look real nice once she sheds out. She gets real bright yellow. Here's a hypo arabesque double head albino blood. Maybe I can get some dragons out of her someday. She'll go this next year. Hypo hog Allen boa. That's het for blood. Here's another female sunglow, motley sunglow. And she'll probably definitely go next year. She's getting her body weight up pretty good. Nice looking animal. Here's an albino IMG that will probably go this next year. I should have her body weight up. It's up pretty good now, but it'll be even better time breeding season starts in fall of 2025. Big female arabesque head albino, and she should go this year as well. There's a female lipstick junglo, and she should probably go this coming year. She's getting her body weight up too pretty good.